Beth Karam-Putt, here to guide you through the test baking session.
So you might be asking yourself, why test? Each test serves as a valuable tool to bakers and business owners, and it helps them decide how to best increase production and grow their business. We want to make sure that your equipment purchase is the right investment for you. We believe here at Erika Record that location should never be an obstacle when testing. While we always prefer to host you in person with us in the Baker's Lab, we also offer a remote option for added convenience. Our Baker's Lab is made for testing. Some of the most common tests include cookies, bread, and chocolate. Depending on the product being tested, there might be some nuance regarding the testing process. For example, when making bread, we have to think about your hydration. When depositing cookies, we need to think about spread, weight, size. When we're testing with chocolate, we need to consider, are you using couverture, or are you working with coating chocolate? And be sure to check our related videos down below. They're awesome. We aim to ensure that your finished product during the test process closely resembles your existing process. This will ensure that our equipment solution provides you consistency, quality of product, while eliminating any surprises post-purchase. This is best achieved when we use the same recipe, ingredients, and mixing methods of your current process. This may involve scaling your dough or your recipe up so that we make sure we have enough for testing. We safeguard all proprietary information shared with us. Part of having a successful test is using the right ingredients. As a courtesy, in the Baker's Lab, we will provide you with standard baking ingredients. But this can be different from your brand and the type that you're currently using in your product. And we find that the most successful test is when we're using your ingredients. Understanding your finished product's appearance, size, weight will help us deliver a product that your customers recognize and love. Thank you for joining me here in the Baker's Lab at Erika Record. I'm really excited. I hope you'll join me in testing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to my team. If you want to see more of this content, hit the subscribe button below.